In this video, I'll be showing you how to install the Google Photos app on a PC or laptop. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, let's say you want to install the Photos application and without opening your browser or anything like that. It's actually very easy to do. So to install the application, open up your browser of choice, but Google Chrome is going to be the best for this. Then once you're signed into the right account, press these little dots right here and then scroll down and you're going to find Photos. So go ahead and click on that. Now from here, all I have to go ahead and do is once Google Photos is open, don't actually do anything inside Google Photos itself. On the top right, press these three little dots. Then you're going to see a lot of options, but I want to go to Cast, Save and Share. Then I'm going to see Install Google Photos as one of the options. All I want to do is go ahead and click on that. It's going to say Install App Google Photos. Press Install right here. And now it's going to open up as a separate web page. And what I can do is I can pin it to the taskbar as well because it's its own separate application. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.